Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Devre. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Engineering, MIT's IOE, Bhujbal Knowledge City, Nasik, Maharashtra. I welcome you all for the course introduction session of third year Computer Engineering, Internet of Things and Embedded System. I have conducted more than 10 workshops on the Internet of Things in different engineering colleges. In today's world, Internet of Things is in huge demand because of solving societal challenges, environmental challenges, industrial challenges, etc., and making the human life better. This session consists of three parts: prerequisite course, course outcome, and course contents. Coming to the first part, prerequisite course, as Internet of Things is a network of different connected devices transmitting data securely, so the knowledge of computer networks and security is required here. Now moving to the next, course outcome. After completion of the course, student can understand the fundamentals and need of embedded system for the Internet of Things. Also, student can apply IoT enabling technologies and design methodologies required for implementation of IoT systems and IoT applications. Student can analyze IoT protocols for communication purpose. Due to huge data demand from the IoT system, student can design cloud-based IoT system as well as they can develop a secured IoT applications. Coming to the course content, unit number 1 is based on the introduction to embedded system along with the real-time tasks, basics of the processor, system on chip, and which also focuses on the installation of the RTOS. Unit number 2 is the start of the Internet of Things, which involves introduction to Internet of Things, design of the IoT, and again the study of the Raspberry Pi and Arduino devices along with their interfacing. Unit number 3 is design methodology required for implementing the IoT application. Here example of home automation is provided. This unit also involves four major pillars of the IoT. Next unit is IoT protocol, which required for communication in between different devices. So here example of low range based smart irrigation system is provided. Unit number 5 focuses on the cloud platforms required for the IoT system. So here examples of Zivli Cloud, Amazon Web Services are provided. Also Skynet IoT messaging platform is explained here. So it involves case study of smart parking and forest fire detection. Now last unit is focuses on the security in IoT system. It involves challenges of the securing IoT system as well as secure data transmission in between devices. So it involves case study of home intrusion detection system. So here I finish with course introduction session. Thank you.